This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-239-78046 and 011-239-71075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. In Mizoram, the ongoing restrictions of total lockdown in urban areas will continue for another week till 4 a.m. on the 21st of this month. The State Disaster Management Authority yesterday decided to continue with the ongoing restrictions to prevent further escalation of COVID-19 cases in the state. As per the order, the current restrictions of total lockdown will continue in Aizawl Municipal Corporation and district headquarters towns with total restrictions on inter-districts movement. During the second wave of COVID-19, the state government first clamped a lockdown on the 10th of May for a week and has extended on weekly basis to curtail the rate of infection. According to yesterday's order, all markets and inter-district movement will also remain suspended. While standalone shops are allowed to open from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. every day, while vegetable shops in localities will remain open from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. only on Fridays. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh yesterday inaugurated the newly set up COVID Intensive Care Unit at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences. The ICU has a capacity of 100 beds equipped with advanced medical facilities, which would be very useful for treatment of COVID-19 positive patients who need intensive care. Speaking on the occasion, Biren Singh said that the newly inaugurated ICU block would be of great relief to the JNIMS and the people of the state, as supply of oxygen to COVID-19 infected patients had been a major concern. Setting up of such ICU beds with ventilators and other sophisticated equipments would be a huge input to the efforts of doctors and nurses in providing treatment and saving the lives of the people from the pandemic. In Manipur, 554 persons, all from the general population, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases during the last 24 hours. These cases were detected among the 7,958 samples tested for COVID-19. On the other hand, 15 people expired due to COVID-19 positive in the last 24 hours, thus increasing the total fatality due to the pandemic to 959. Meanwhile, 751 COVID-19 patients were discharged during the hours. The total number of recovered cases is 49,653 and the total positive case is 59,322. The recovery rate is 83.70%. The active case stands at 8,710. In Meghalaya, the death toll due to coronavirus has gone up to 727 after it reported 13 deaths yesterday. The Directorate of Health Services informed that the state reported 501 fresh cases, new COVID-19 cases, tallying the total active cases to 4,871. Meanwhile, the state also recorded of 610 new recovered cases in the last 24 hours, with the total recovered cases has reached 36,003. So far, the confirmed COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya stands at 41,601. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K has condoled the passing away of journalist Sohliya of the English daily, the Sentinel, published from Guwahati, Assam. Sohliya passed away at his residence in Shillong yesterday. He left behind his wife and children. In a condolence message, the Chief Minister eulogized Sohliya as a well-read, well-spoken and courteous person. Samir was a promising journalist who was admired not only by the press fraternity but by many who knew him personally. The Chief Minister said Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association expressed shock on the sudden demise of Sohliya, a very senior journalist of the state. In a condolence message, MEPA said Sohliya was a talented writer with strong knowledge on many issues concerning the state. Meanwhile, the Shillong Press Club has also expressed its profound pain at the unfortunate passing away of Sohliya. And with that, we end the news from the station of All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.